Being a 24-year realtor means that I can get absolutely obsessed with housing. Those of y'all that are in real estate, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And so when I'm doing any work in Western North Carolina right now, all I can think about is how I can help my fellow North Carolinians with decent housing, temporary structures to get them through the winter. So then I look around my garage, and what do I have that's helpful? I have a bunch of nails. I've even got some garage hooks. So maybe you're thinking, okay, Lee Brown, I got some stuff in my garage too. Here's how you can help. There's a link with this video. There's also a QR code if you're very advanced. On Saturday, November 2nd in Valdese, North Carolina, we're doing a build. We're going to create 30 temporary tractor sheds that will be insulated. They will have a heater, a generator, and a whole bedding kit inside so that our neighbors who are currently homeless can get out of the elements. If you'd like to be a part of this, you can donate. You can sign up to show up. And by the way, we need electricians, roofers, insulators, and carpenters, and a whole bunch of unskilled people too, as long as you can follow instructions. Because for me, I don't have the foggiest idea how to do things, but I can do what I'm told. So you'll bring your nail guns, you'll bring your tools, you'll wear clothes that can get dirty, and mostly bring a good, faithful attitude, because we can solve a lot of problems if we work together for good.